Okay, today is Tuesday, July 24th, 2018, and it's after midnight. It's going on 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time in Port Huron, Michigan, and we're having a downfall. Yesterday, I took a video of the rain. It was pouring like it is now. It hasn't let up. There's a street light. You can see the rain coming down. And there's some lightning. There's a tree across the street. It's really coming down very hard. You can see how much water over there on the sidewalk. And you can hear the thunder in the distance. It was thundering earlier tonight. It was really thundering, but it was in the distance. And it still is. It's still thundering, but it's from a distance. I'll turn my patio light on and see if you can see the water on the sidewalk. There it is. There's the patio. And there's my pelican staying dry because it's I got an overhead here little thing, going across the patio, so it's kind of protecting whoever's under it from the rain. So I'm going to turn the light off now. There's a burning bush shrub, garden flag and chimes over there. And that's looking west to Parkway, and then over here is looking east on Continental. It's a cul-de-sac at the end, so. Okay, so it looks like the rain stopped, or not stopped, but it's going to stop raining hard. There's the lightning. Do you see the lightning I show on the sidewalk? Maybe I can get the lightning in the sky. I'll go up here. See if you can see some lightning over there. Just wait a little bit. There's the thunder. It's going on 3 minutes now recording, so I don't know if it's going to lightning again. I don't know if you can hear the thunder. The longer I keep this video going, I could probably have the thunder might get closer, the sound. It's lightly raining right now, so there's the lightning right there. Yeah, we had a downpour today. All day long it was raining on and off, and the rain was actually downpouring rain. There was some moments where the rain was kind of like a mist, but it was mostly downpours. So, see, what does it say? What is it when the thunder, the lightning flash, lightning flashes first, then the thunder, or is it the thunder makes the noise and then the lightning strikes? I don't know. I can't remember. There's the lightning. I got it. And I'm looking south. I'm on the south side of the building complex. Well, the rain is mostly off the sidewalk now. It's all in the grass. The lawn. There's the lightning again. There's my niece Victoria's bird feeder. She gave me one Christmas with her son William and her husband Scott. It's hanging there. I don't put bird food in it either, but it's got a hole in it, so the leak, I can't put water in it either for the birds. So it's just like a shelter for the birds. There's the thunder. Okay, is it gonna lightning now? There, okay, got it. And that's looking more or less southwest. And then when you go past this tree, then over by the street light, it's more like southeast. And then tree is directly south. So, okay, I got the lightning in. So I don't know if the thunder is going to come any louder than it is, or if it's going to have another downpour. But I'm going to turn this off now. Oh, there's another lightning. I don't know if you could hear catch the sound of the thunder on the camera or not, but at least you did see the lightning. Seems like it lightens on that side, and then over here it lightens at different times. Not at the same time, maybe. Okay, just lighten. They just thundered, so let's see if the lightning hits. I think the lightning flashes first, and then the thunder follows. There it is. That's the lightning. So it should thunder right now. Okay, it's going on 7 minutes recording, so I'm going to turn this off. Turn the light on one more time. There's the patio. And the pelican statue. Okay, have a good night, you guys, everybody. And today is Tuesday now, after midnight on, actually it's going on 1 o'clock a.m. right now on Tuesday, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday, July 24th, 2018 in Port Huron, Michigan. There's lightning.